YouTube. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to change the voice for live translate on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series of phones. This will work for the S25, S25 Ultra, and the S25 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to change the voice for live translate on your S25 device, it's pretty easy to do so. What you want to do is actually jump into your setting. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for Galaxy AI, and then from there you want to hit Galaxy AI. From there you want to hit Call Assist, and then you'll be taken to the live translate menu. And then from there, what you want to do is hit Voice, and you'll be able to change the voice or change the speech rate on your live translate. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to change the voice for live translate on your Samsung Galaxy S25 device. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.